Hello guys, welcome to another edition of Learn with Joe, and today on this channel I'll be talking about staking. Okay, I know a lot of people have been hearing about cryptocurrencies, they have been hearing about tokens, staking and the like. So today I'll be showing you how to stake your money and get rewards for it. So to guide this tutorial, I've made a short slide presentation that contains some key information and introduction to staking and how it works, and then I will go to my browser to show you a live demo of how to set up a staking account and how to get started with staking cryptocurrencies or crypto assets. So what is staking? What is this staking that everybody have been talking about? Staking is just like a form of savings deposit. The same thing you do with banking, like the physical banks that we have. You go to a bank, you have some cash, and then you say, hey bank, take my money, keep it for me, and hopefully by the end of the month or by the end of the year I will get some interest back. Okay, so staking is the same thing, but it is done on the blockchain. Okay, so staking allows you to keep or lock away some of your funds or your crypto assets or your stable coins, in your wallet. You lock it away, and then it's like lending it to these exchanges or this staking pool. You lend it to them and say, okay guys, after the end of a year or a month or a day, give me some rewards for locking my cryptocurrency with you. So that is exactly what staking is. Okay, so it's just like depositing your money, keeping it in a bank, and then getting some interest and stuff like that. Okay, so why should you stake? This is a very, very important question. People ask, they ask me about this. Why should I stake? Why is it important? So I tell you, staking is very, very important. One, the interest rate. Okay, look at the bank deposit here. When you deposit your money in the bank, right now the average interest rate for banks are 0.5%. 0.5%. Can you imagine that? 0.5. If you keep your money in a bank, you get 0.5%. But when you keep your money on a blockchain, you stake it on the blockchain, maybe using a cryptocurrency or using a stable asset, you can earn from 12% to 15% interest. Okay, and also this gives you full control over your funds. You understand? When you put your money in crypto, you can withdraw your funds anytime when you stake your money, and you can do anything you want with your funds. Okay, so right now it's quite funny, especially if you're in Nigeria and then you put your money in a deposit account or in a savings account and then you keep it there. In fact, the bank gives you 0.5%. Okay, by the time they remove their charges, they take maintenance fee, they take whatever different kind of charges. You discover that the charges is even more than the interest that you are accruing on your money. That's the reality, because by the time you go back to take out your money, most of the time your money is lesser than the actual amount you put there. Why? They've taken some fees here and there, but this does not happen with staking. When you stake your funds, when you stake your money, this does not happen. Okay, your money, your funds is secured, and you have total control over your money. And if you want to go through the banking route, you have to go through documentation, opening an account, filling some forms, submitting ID card, submitting your social security number, BVN, and all those things. But with staking, you don't need all those things. You can do it anonymously. Okay, there's anonymity in this thing. You can convert your physical cash into stable coins, and then you stake this. Okay, and also the replenish is often forbidden when you go to the bank, and interest is paid monthly. But here, this is one important point that I want to emphasize: that the interest is paid daily. So later on I will show you my account, which I'm using for staking. Okay, one of my wallets where I stake some of my crypto. When you see the interest is actually paid every day, you see the amount that was paid yesterday, you see the amount that was paid today, 2 days before. The interest comes daily into my account. So you are not waiting till the end of the month to get your interest. You get your interest daily, and depending on the amount you are staking now or the amount you are putting there, your interest increases with higher deposit. You understand? So it's not like, oh, you get to so amount. No, it's not fixed. The more money or the more crypto you stake, the more interest you get out of the system. So this is way better than just keeping your money in the bank. And if you're in a developing economy like in Nigeria, where there's inflation and the value of the local currency is depreciating, you discover that your local currency, whatever it can buy now, in the next 6 months it can't buy that same thing. But when you keep your money in USD, okay, with USD you retain the value of your money, okay, and then even if there's inflation, you can always convert your USD back to your local currency when you need it. So how do you stake? Right now, there are different things out there, different cryptocurrencies, different coins and all those things. But the truth of the matter is, right now the cryptocurrency market is on a, it's moving upwards, growing. Lots of factors are involved, okay. So to be on the safe side, I would not recommend staking cryptocurrency per se, but I recommend you stake a stable coin. Okay, a stable coin like USDN. What are stable coins? Stable coins are crypto assets that are pegged to fiat currency. For example, USDN is pegged to the US dollar, which means one USDN will probably always remain $1. Okay, one USDN, $1. So it's pegged at the dollar. So it's not like, or like BTC or like Ethereum, when the price can be $1,700 today, tomorrow it's $1,500, next tomorrow, stuff like that is fluctuating. But with stable assets, that if you have one USDN, you have one US dollar, it's pegged at the US dollar. So that way you can keep the value of your assets. That way fluctuation will not affect your money. So right now I recommend staking USDN, and I will show you how to do that. So simply buy USDN. Once you buy USDN asset, stake the USDN asset, then you receive daily interest. It is as simple as that. So there's a great platform that I want to show to you. It's called the Waves Exchange. Okay, Waves Exchange is built on the Waves blockchain. So Waves Exchange gives you the opportunity to stake and get rewards back. Okay, so Wave Exchange is decentralized. It has two parts actually. It has a decentralized section and also a centralized section, depending on what you want and depending on your technical abilities. Okay, so Wave Exchange offers you one of the best crypto staking opportunities. Okay, with the USDN staking, the USDN staking is secure and deposit process is fast, and you get your commission paid daily. So right now I'm staking with Wave Exchange. Okay, and that is what I'll be showing to you today. Alright, so let's switch over to the Waves Exchange website so that we can go through the process of staking your funds. So now this is the website. The website looks like this. When you come to Waves Exchange, you see this. Okay, this is a simple website. Alright, it has all the details about everything you need. I'm assuming you don't have an account. So if you don't have an account already on Waves Exchange, you will need to sign up. When you click on the sign up button, it brings you to a page like this that says sign up with email, sign up with ledger or software. Now, if you're an advanced user, if you know how to, if you understand what is seed phrase, key store file, or private keys and all those things, you should go with the software sign up process. But if you're a regular user, okay, like a lot of people, I would recommend you sign up with email. With this email procedure, if you have an email account, if you forget your password, you can easily reset your password. But if you choose the software and you forget your seed phrase, that will be the end of your account. Without the seed phrase, you won't be able to access your money, your investment, or anything. So if you want to go with the simple route, you can go with the email, sign up with an email account, and then your account will be created for you on Waves Exchange. So when you sign up, let me take you to the investment page. So this is the where we are looking at, investment page. Okay, the investment products has different products that you can stake. You can see ETH, BTC, USDC. Now I'm not talking about ETH and BTC staking today. In fact, personally, I'm not recommending that at the moment, except if you're a technical trader. Okay, because Bitcoin, Ethereum, the price varies a lot of time. The price could drop, the price could increase, so it's not stable. Okay, so the one I'm interested in is USDN. You can see neutrino staking USDN. I select USDN and then it brings me to the page that talks about USDN, and then it has a nice tool here. You can even calculate, like, get the amount you can get if you stake, so that you have a rough idea. Let me say I stake 10,000. If I'm staking about 10,000 USD, daily income will be about $2. Monthly will be about 86 and a year I will make an extra $1,000 at 9.25 and 9.52%. Okay, so this is it. So now let me show you how it works. Let me log into my account. Okay, I have an email account, and as well I have a software account, but for this video I'll be making use of my software account. So I click on this. My account is already set up, so all I have to do is to click on continue, and I can log in into my Waves Exchange account. Okay, so before you can start staking, like I said earlier, you need to buy USDN assets. Okay, you can buy USDN from someone, from a peer, or you can buy with your credit card. They have the option, you can see right here, buy with card. If you want to buy with card, you can buy USDN with your card. Okay, and of course you can buy from someone. If you know someone that has USDN and then you need some USDN, you can get in touch with the person and then you get USDN. So once you have USDN on your account, then you can stake it. So look at this. This is my USDN staking portal. Okay, from Waves Exchange. Let me go to my wallet. Okay, this is my wallet. This is where you see all the cryptos you are holding and all the assets you are holding. So now let me show you something. Look at this place, USDN. It shows 24 USD. Okay, out of a total of 224. Why is it showing this? Because I have staked 200 and then I have a balance of 24. So it's the money is technically still in my wallet, in my balance. Okay, but I can't access the 200 USD because it is logged away in the staking. Okay, so it is logged in staking, but it is showing on my balance that I have up to this, but I can only access 24 USD. Same thing with NSBT. Look at my NSBT. I'm staking NSBT too. You see I have a total balance of 11.2, but there is 0.00 available on this wallet. So it's not like I don't have NSBT. I have my NSBT tokens, but it is staked, so it is logged inside the staking contract. So to stake, I go to my investment, I select USDN, and then on my USDN page I am showed my total balance. Available balance is 24, staked is 200 USD. Like I said, USDN is pegged to dollars, so it's basically 200 USDN is equal to $200. Now let me show you my income. You see the daily income tab. From here I can see my payout history. See March 17th. Okay, for March 17th I got paid 0.05. March 16th, you can see March 15th, February 7th. So it's you can see the chart of the income from your staking. So the money is paid out every day into your main account. Okay, so when you check your balance, you discover that this amount is being added from your USDN staking. I'm also staking another token, which is NSBT. NSBT is the token for the neutrino protocol. So I have about 11.2 staked. Okay, you may stake NSBT, but the thing is, it's a token, so the price may also fluctuate depending on the market. All right, so I'm staking about 11 of it because I believe in the long-term future of this token. And then you can see my payout history. On March 18th, you can see March 17th, 16th. If I go to the next page, I can go to the third page, fourth page, fifth page, sixth. You can see how the payouts are coming. Every day I'm getting paid, my rewards directly into my wallet, and I can unstake this at any point in time. So if I click on this button right here, unstake, it will unstake my crypto, and then I can have access to it. Let's say I want to sell, I can sell it if I unstake it. If I go back to my USDN tab, let's say I need my $200 today, all I have to do is to click on this button, unstake, and immediately my funds will be released back into my wallet, and then I can do anything I want to do with my 200 USD. So that is how easy it is. You don't have to fill any form, you don't have to go through any complicated process. All you have to do is sign up on the Waves Exchange with your email. Okay, log into your account, get your wallet, copy your wallet address, and then buy USDN. You can use your credit card, okay, or you get from someone that has you pay them and then they credit you with USDN. And all you have to do is go to the trading section, click on USDN, and then stake your money. So even if the price of if the value of the naira, which is the local currency in Nigeria right now, if the value of naira depreciates, okay, it doesn't affect my money. My money is locked up here, so I can withdraw my 200 USD anytime. I can withdraw my 500 or 1000. All the money I've staked in different accounts, I can pick them up, convert them to my local currency with the extra interest that I've accrued on this front. So that is basically how staking works. Okay. So staking is the way. That is the truth. Staking is the way right now. If you want to preserve the value of your money and also make good profit, staking is the solution. All you have to do is take your money, convert it to USDN, convert it to a stable coin. You can even convert it to other coins, and then stake them. So you get rewards every day, and you can always take it out anytime you want. It is as simple as that. It is pretty straightforward. Now, for the Waves exchange, I'll be dropping a link in the description. Okay, so you can follow that link to sign up on Waves exchange. It will take you to the staking page. You sign up with your email, and then from there you can get USDN and start staking crypto. If you have some questions or you need some clarifications, I will drop my Twitter handle in the description. Okay, you can follow me on Twitter, send me a DM to ask about Waves exchange or USDN staking, and then I will definitely reply you as quick as possible. Okay, so before you go, if you've learned something new from this video, I want you to do me a favor. It's very, very important to me. I want you to click the like button. Okay, just click that like button, like the video. You've learned something new, right? So click the like button, like the video. All right, so thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch, and please start staking some of your money. Thank you. Have a good day.